We are Group 5, St. Tingin, and we are here to discuss about interaction of matter with radiation.
When radiation interacts with matter, it is either absorbed or scattered. Absorption. Absorption. The energy is the process of transferring energy of radiation to the atoms of the medium it interacts. Example of it is the X-ray. And the charcoal we're using when we're
Scattered or static. This is the interaction wherein radiation is detected from its original direction.
wait. Okay. Ionization. Particles of interact with matter, usually ionization energy is defined as species required to remove the outermost electron. Gas atom is an atom is always comes from the others of the solid.
Excitation. Excitation is the addition of a discrete amount of energy called excitation energy to a system such as atomic nucleus, atoms, and molecules. This alteration therefore will be from the lowest energy to its highest energy, or from its ground state to its excited state.
Three principal ways by which radiation interacts with matter. Photoelectric effect. In photoelectric effect, the radiation transfers all of its energy to a bound electron of an atom. And in Compton scattering, the radiation of wavelength collides with free electron, transfers energy to the electron and continues into a new direction. And in pair production, the radiation passes close to the nucleus of an atom. Radiation may disappear and in the process produce a positive electron.
To summarize our report, the two types that radiation interact with matter is either absorption or scattering. How matter interacts by using their kinetic energies are ionization and excitation. And the three principal ways by which radiation